Hi, my name is Cecilia, and this is Max. We are going to do Legos for little kids, city monster trucks. So this is city monster truck, and it is 5+, that's the age range, and it has 55 pieces, and we're going to open it and see what's inside. Let's open it up. Open it.
No. Yes. Open it at that.
I think it's here.
Yes. And Lego tonight.
Oh, that's not good.
That's repeating.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
there we go.
red. Whoa.
So we have 2 bags and an instruction book. And it's empty. Okay, so here we have
Open that.
a big bag and a small bag with smaller pieces. So this is what's inside, and we have the instructions, a big bag, and a small bag. So now we're going to open it and build it.
No, open that one. No, we're going to open the tiny one.
Here you go. Spill it out. Okay, so first we build the dude. And here's his helmet. There's something inside. Okay, let's sort out these pieces. Okay, so we have 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these. We have 1 of these. We have lots of green pieces. Yeah, these. So I'm going to sort out the little pieces.
I have 1 sand wheel.
And we have 3. And so let's sort out the wheels. And
I have
these so that it's easy to choose.
And that's a great eating because the way for that's the orange ones.
So we're almost done with that.
And that one.
That's the back and the front. Nice pattern.
I like that one.
What? And this.
That was mine.
This.
That was
This.
That was mine.
Okay. And it's all sorted out. Now we are going to build. So first we need to take this, and we take this piece, these, and we put it in the middle. We put the gray piece in the middle, and the light gray.
That one.
And then we put the other 2 at the sides.
I do that one.
I think this is like the bottom part. No, the other side, this way. This.
I do that one.
Okay, now
No, that one mine.
Okay. Now we take another black piece and put it on top. So now we're left with this. So now
I'm going to put the wheel.
we have to take one of these and one of these.
One more, 2 of them.
But we only need 1. And so we put this piece right here.
I do that one. I do that one. I do that one.
Okay. So now we have this. Okay.
I put the wheels.
Now we can put this. Now we take one of these, and we put this right here. Like right there. Let's turn the page. And now we can put the wheel right next to that black part.
That one.
Boom, boom. Okay. Now we take this and this again. So we put it again, but just on the other side. Max.
That's one.
Yeah, Max, put this here.
I did it off.
We're not playing yet. Okay. Now.
I put in the wheel.
Oh, you want to put that? Put the wheel on.
Okay.
He wants to put the importance. Okay, now we take this white piece. There's only one of them. So that'll be easy to find. Or hard. And one of these. And we put this right here. And this here. And so now we're left with this. And now we take these two, the same thing, and we put them on the sides. And we take another one of these, and we put that on the other side. So now it looks like this, kind of like a boat.
Look like a boat.
Okay, so now we take this, it's that, and we put it on this side.
Now put that in here.
And now we take two of these black dots.
11 and 10.
Right here. Okay. And we should turn the page. Now we do lots and lots of orange. Two of these. And this back.
I get it.
And you put those at either side of the wheels.
I got it.
So now we have this.
I got it.
So now, and then you put the big part right.
I like color orange. I like color
Here.
orange.
Okay. Press it. Press it. Okay. So now we're left like this. And now we take two of these and we put it on this side.
See it.
And now we're left like that. So more of like a orangey boat, but it's not a boat. Okay, so now you see here, we put these two at either side. Okay, Max, here we go. Not good. Okay.
I done that one. I done that. You me. Look like a
Okay,
boat.
so now we have
Look like
this. So now we take these sharp green things and put them here. And we take these purple and put them right in front, like that. And then we take this black piece and this blue piece, and we put them at the front here. And Max, put it here. Max, put it here. Put it here, Max. Put it here.
I put in that one. I put in that one.
Okay, press it. Wait. And now we take this. We put it right here. So now we're left with this. Looks less like a boat now.
It's like a racing boat. It's like a boat.
Okay, now we take this. It looks like claws and more. And we put this right here. The bigger one in here. And these two on either side, okay? Here.
I done it.
Oh, the other side.
And I done it. I did.
He keeps on dropping everything.
I got it.
Okay. Right here.
That's
okay. Okay. Now we take they look like headlights kinda. And we put them right there so it looks kinda like hard.
Let me see it.
And we also take this and put it right here. So now it looks even more like a monster truck. Oh, and this is the exciting part because now we can put the pattern on, like a dragon. Wait, Matt, put it here. You put it here in the front, and then press it. Okay. So now it looks. Now it definitely looks like a truck. But now we can make it even more like a monster truck by putting this right here.
Oh.
No.
I done it.
Yeah, like that. These things.
Yeah.
Now. Okay, so now we take this part, this top part, and put it right. Wait, can you press it?
Yeah.
It's hard. Okay, there. And now we take this and this, and we put them together. You press them in. This is the hardest step for me, but now we have a wheel. And we put them right here. Okay, now we do that to the rest of the cars. Tires.
I do this.
So. Yeah, like this. We're still waiting for the other wheels. Have this. Put it like this. We do one more wheel.
I do that one.
Yeah.
I do that one.
Okay, put it. Okay. So now we have the finished monster truck, and you can open this part. This part.
Thank you.
To put the little dude in it.
Thank you.
You should have 3 extra pieces. If not, then you might have lost one. But that's okay. They're extra. Okay. So now we put Alright, this is the finished monster truck with the person inside it. Okay, so now Max is going to play with it, and I'm going to tell you the positives and negatives. So firstly, I'm going to tell you the positives. So I think firstly, I enjoyed building it, so that was good. Second, it it's pretty fast. So it's good for racing. Third, well, it's not like just a model, it's also a toy, so I guess that's for another point. Not many Legos are like that. And negatives are, so firstly, I guess the first negative would be, well, basically when you try to get the person out or a person in, you have to like take off the roof, and it's not like easily opening. It's like you can accidentally like break the whole thing, so that is not good. Second of all, it's pretty small, and third of all, well, it doesn't like go back. You notice like ones where it go back and then it just, and without pushing it, it just goes front. It's not like that, so yeah.